Good morning everyone. Once again welcome in history class. All are fine? I hope you are doing the study also properly, but some students are not doing the study properly. So I request to all the students, please do your work on time. So which topic is going on? Socialism in Europe and the Russian Revolution. Before that topic we have started October Revolution. In October Revolution, after the what happened? Provisional fall of government fall down, and then who has taken all the powers? Lenin. Lenin became the main leader in Russia. So what happened? What changed after October Revolution? What changes came? First point, the Bolshevik were totally opposed to private property. It means Bolshevik don't in favor कि private property should be there. He was saying कि property should be equally divided among the workers also. Second point, most industries and banks were nationalized. Nationalized means this means the government took over the ownership and management. It means now banks and industries, they come under the control of the government. It means government will control and manage all the things in industries and in banks. And in which year? Up to November 1917 they have declared. Now third point, land were declared social property and peasants were allowed to seize the land of the nobility. Now land became the social property, not private property. Social means everybody can use, everybody can take. So what happened? Peasants means farmers were allowed, यानी कि they have given permission to seize. Seize means छीन लेना किसी से. Seize the land of the nobility. Now the peasants, what they were doing? They were taking the lands from the nobles. It means the third point, land were declared social property, not private property, and peasants were allowed. यानी कि farmers को क्या permission दे दी गई? To seize, यानी कि छीन लेना the land of the nobility. Fourth point, in cities, Bolsheviks enforced the partition on what suggestion given? The partitions on large houses according to the family requirement. It means जो large houses है उनका partitions, उनका dividation होना चाहिए किसके according? According to the family requirement. कि एक family में कितने member है उसके according पूरे उसका houses का division होना चाहिए, partitions होना चाहिए. That suggestion also given by the Bolsheviks. Fifth point, they banned the use of the old titles of aristocracy. Aristocracy means the class of people implied as upper class who possesses a hereditary rank and title. यानी कि जो पुराने titles या ranks थे उन सबको क्या कर दिया गया? हटा दिया गया. कि now they banned. They cannot use these types of titles and articles. In the aristocracy mainly rich people, you can say that, yeah, upper class. Now sixth point, the Bolshevik party was renamed the Russian Communist Party. Or what was the name of the Bolshevik party now? That they have changed their name, the Russian Communist Party. Seventh point, no uniforms for army and officials. And for the army and officials, they have started a new uniform. That was the name is given Budenokha. Budenokha means name of the head that was introduced after the revolution. And new uniform. So in the uniforms, what change is a head. Budenokha. And 8th point, secret police was started. Yani they have appointed the secret police also. That is the name given Cheka. Was started to crush the opponents. Opponents means those who were opposing the Bolshevik ideas. So what they have done for that purpose, they have appointed a secret police and to crush the opponents of, or what was the name of that secret police? Cheka. So it means after the October Revolution, what changes came in the Russia and which type of new head was adopted? That is Budenokha. Budenokh. Budenokha. Now we will discuss next topic. Now we will discuss about making a socialist society. How in the Russia socialist society frame. Let us see in the last paragraph. I wrote the wrong spelling of Cheka. That is the correct spelling. Cheka. I think I have written check, C-H-E-C-K. That is correct. It Cheka, C-H-E-K-A. That is called secret police. Now we will revise making a socialist society. After the Civil War, it means Civil War. What happened after the First World War? It means Russia dropped out First World War. For that purpose, what happened? France, Britain, and America were angry. And during the Civil War, how that Civil War was happened, that we can see after the First World War, that country was divided into mainly three groups. What were the three groups? Bolsheviks, we can say that red, greens and whites. Red, Bolsheviks, green, who were social revolutionaries, socialist revolutionaries, and whites, pro-Zarist. यानी कि सिविल वॉर क्या होता है, यानी कि सिविलियंस लोग, यानी कि आम लोग जो अपनी ही गवर्नमेंट के खिलाफ कुछ आवाज उठाते हैं, उसको अपोज करते हैं, दैट इज कॉल्ड द सिविल वॉर विद इन द सेम कंट्री. अपनी ही कंट्री में कोई वॉर करना, दैट इज कॉल्ड सिविल वॉर. तो आफ्टर दैट व्हाट हैपेंड, और दैट सिविल वॉर मेनली स्टार्टेड इन विच ईयर टू विच ईयर, 1918 to 21. यानी कि सिविल वॉर स्टार्टेड 1918 to 1921. After the civil war, what happened? Centralized planning was introduced. So firstly we will see what is the meaning of centralized planning. Centralized planning, officials assess how the economy could work and set targets for a 5-year period. It means if they will adopt the 5-year plan, so what will be happen? Productions will improve, or when production will improve, so what will be happen? Economy will reform. यानी कि centralized plan से उन्होंने क्या किया? They have make a plan for that purpose. What they have decided according to that means productions will improve, and when production will improve, तो automatically country's economy will reform. तो यानी कि उन्होंने proper planning बनाई इसके लिए. Was introduced an assessment of economy was done and set targets for 5-year plans. For that purpose they have adopted the 5-year plans. 5-year plans जिसको हम बोल सकते हैं पंचवर्षीय योजनाएं. Our country India is also adopted पंचवर्षीय परियोजना यानी कि 5-year plan. But in the 2 years plan, यानी कि in the 2 years plan, the first fix all prices. What they have done in the 2 years plan, they have decided fix all the prices to promote industrial growth during the first 2 plans. यानी कि 2 plans में उन्होंने क्या किया कि एक इकोनॉमी डेवलप की जाएगी एक प्रॉपर वे में, प्रमोट, और मेनली किसको प्रमोट करेंगे? वो इंडस्ट्रियल ग्रोथ को. इंडस्ट्रियल ग्रोथ यानी कि सबसे ज्यादा किसको इंप्रूव करवाएंगे? इंडस्ट्री. जब इंडस्ट्री ज्यादा से ज्यादा ग्रोथ होगी तो व्हाट विल बी हैपन? ऑटोमेटिकली इकोनॉमी विल इंप्रूव. तो यानी कि फर्स्ट 2 प्लान्स में दे अडॉप्टेड द 5 years plans. After 5 years they are making their program and policy, but within 2 5 years plans, which policy they adopted? What they have want to increase? Industrial growth. So what happened? Industrial growth. So यानी कि all prices in the industrial growth, what they have done? All prices to promote industrial growth during the first 2 plans, और it led to, और इसकी वजह से क्या हुआ वहां पर? Economic growth. It led to economic growth. So what happened due to the centralized plan? Led to economic growth. यानी कि उन्होंने जो 5-year plan अडॉप्ट किया, इससे क्या बनेगा? प्रोडक्शन ज्यादा हुआ. प्रोडक्शन ज्यादा हुआ तो क्या होगा? इकोनॉमी में रिफॉर्म हुआ. इकोनॉमी में रिफॉर्म हुआ तो कंट्री का जो ग्रोथ है इकोनॉमिक, वो क्या हुआ? ग्रोथ हुआ, ज्यादा से ज्यादा होने लगा. इंडस्ट्रियल प्रोडक्शन इंक्रीज बाय 100 यानी कि 100% बढ़ गया इंडस्ट्रियल प्रोडक्शन. न्यू फॉर दैट पर्पज न्यू फैक्ट्री सिटीज वर एस्टेब्लिश, यानी कि फॉर प्रोडक्शन ज्यादा से ज्यादा प्रोडक्शन हो, इन्होंने न्यू फैक्ट्रीज लगानी शुरू कर दी अलग अलग सिटीज में. एंड स्कूलिंग सिस्टम्स एंड यूनिवर्सिटीज वर डेवलप, यानी कि स्कूलिंग एंड यूनिवर्सिटीज वर आल्सो डेवलप. अरेंजमेंट्स वर मेड फॉर पीजेंट्स एंड फैक्ट्री वर्कर्स टू एंटर यूनिवर्सिटीज, ताकि वो लोग भी एंटर करे, पढ़ाई लिखाई करे, वर्कर्स और पीजेंट्स भी यूनिवर्सिटीज में और स्कूलिंग सिस्टम के थ्रू. Creches means a place where small children are looked after while their parents are working. यानी कि एक ऐसा प्लेस जहाँ पर बच्चों को रखा जाता है जब उनके माँ बाप किसी फैक्ट्रीज में काम करते हो या कहीं अदर प्लेस पर काम करते हो, तो जहाँ पर बच्चों को देख रेख की जाती है, दैट प्लेस इज कॉल्ड द creches. were established in factories for children. और why these creches were established? So women can also do work here, ताकि विमेंस भी इजीली काम कर सके यहाँ पर. और जब विमेंस भी काम करेंगे तो फैक्ट्री में क्या होगा, प्रोडक्शन ज्यादा से ज्यादा होगा. और फॉर दैट पर्पज नेक्स्ट वर्ड दे हैव डन, चीप पब्लिक हेल्थ केयर वाज आल्सो provided, यानी कि they have provided the cheap public health care facilities also, but there were the some negative aspects also for that. What? Rapid constructions led to poor working conditions. अब इन्होंने ये तो प्लान बना लिया था कि 5 ईयर प्लान्स में प्रोडक्शन ज्यादा से ज्यादा करना है, पर जो इससे कंटिन्यूअसली जो काम हो रहा था उससे उनकी जो पुअर वर्किंग कंडीशंस थी वो क्या हो गई, धीरे धीरे खराब होती जा रही थी, किनकी, वर्कर्स की. एंड सेकंड पॉइंट, वर्कर्स लिव्ड ए हार्ड लाइव्स. As a result, there were 550 stoppages of work in the first 5 years alone. अब बिना फैक्ट्रीज में बिना रुके काम होने लगा फटाफट, क्योंकि क्या करना था हमें, तो वहां पर इकोनॉमी ग्रोथ करना था. इकोनॉमी ग्रोथ करने के लिए क्या करना पड़ेगा, प्रोडक्शन को ज्यादा से ज्यादा बढ़ाना होगा. एंड द वर्कर्स लैक बेसिक फैसिलिटीज, सच पीपल हैड टू क्लाइंब डाउन from the 4th floor and dash across the streets in order to go to toilet. For basic facilities at present they were not having. Cheap public health facilities also provided, but they were very cheap, यानी कि properly they were not enjoying all the facilities. यानी कि these how the we have discussed making a socialist society. यानी कि these are the point. In that point we will think about the centralized planning. यानी कि what type of centralized planning they adopted? First 5 year plan, जिसको हम बोल सकते हैं पंचवर्षीय योजना. इंडिया also adopted that system. और in the first 2 plans they have focus on the, किसके ऊपर उन्होंने फोकस दिया, इंडस्ट्रियल ग्रोथ. यानी कि इंडस्ट्रियल ग्रोथ should be more and more. और when industrial growth would have more and more, what would be happen? It means workers will get the easily work also. When they will get the work, so automatically their working conditions will also improve. But continuously they were doing the work. What happened? In the 550 stoppage, they were doing the work continuously. So after that, their working conditions was also not good, because they were doing the work continuously. For that purpose, industrial production increased by 100%. New factories were established. New factory cities were established. Schooling system and universities also developed. So workers and peasants can also participate. They can also enter in the universities. Creches were also established in factories for children of women workers, ताकि women workers भी इजीली काम कर सके, ताकि उनके बच्चों को वहाँ रखा जाए creches में, और they can do work in the factories. And cheap public health care was also provided. Now we will discuss next topic. Now we will discuss about the collectivizations by Stalin. What was that policy adopted by the Stalin? Collectivization policy was very harsh, adopted by the Stalin. And why that policy adopted by the Stalin? We can see this year 1927 to 1928. What happened in Russia? Grain problem, यानी कि grain shortage. Why? The towns in Soviet Russia were facing an acute problems of grain supplies. The government fixed prices at which grain must be sold, but the peasants refused to sell their grains in government buyers at these prices. So Stalin, who had it? And after when Stalin became the leader, after the death of Lenin, दोनों नेम क्या है, मिलते जुलते हैं pronunciation, Stalin and Lenin, introduced emergency measures. What emergency measures adopted by the Stalin? Firstly, he has done, what were thinking about to that? He was thinking, Stalin, who headed the party after the death of the Lenin, introduced some emergency measures. He believed that rich peasants and traders in the countryside were holding stocks in the hope of higher prices. Stalin को क्या लगता था, जो भी rich land owners हैं या जो rich लोग हैं, वो पूरी फसल को क्या कर लेते, स्टोर करके रख लेते, जब उनको उसके ऊपर हायर प्राइसेस मिलेंगे तब वो उसको मार्केट में सेल करेंगे. तो व्हाट फॉलोड बाय स्टैलिन? कलेक्टिवाइजेशन प्रोग्राम. तो इसके लिए स्टैलिन ने क्या प्रोग्राम अडॉप्ट किया? फर्स्टली व्हाट ही हैज डन फॉर दैट, स्पेकुलेशंस हैड टू बी स्टॉप्ड. स्पेकुलेशन यानी कि जो उनका बंद था वो सब रोक दिया गया, जो उन्होंने स्टोर करके रखा होता. एंड सप्लाईज कॉन्फिस्टिकेटेड, यानी कि जो सप्लाईज थी उसके ऊपर रोक लगा दी गई, छीन ली गई उनसे। 1928 सुपरविजन ऑफ कुलुक्स, 1928 में किसके ऊपर सुपरविजन किया गया? कुलुक्स मतलब वेल टू डू पीजेंट्स, वेल टू डू peasants. After that, so what, for that purpose what adopted? Farm collectivizations and modernization. These two words used by the Stalin, collectivization and modernization. And for that purpose what he has adopted? For modernizing farms, kulaks to be eliminated in order to establish state controlled farm. यानी फॉर द मॉडर्नाइजिंग द फार्म्स, कुलुक्स का मतलब क्या था? वेल टू डू पीजेंट्स। एलिमिनेट करने के लिए क्या करना पड़ेगा? स्टेट के पास पूरा कंट्रोल होना चाहिए फार्म्स के ऊपर। इन 1929 कलेक्टिव फार्म्स यानी कि कोलखोज, व्हाट इज द नेम ऑफ गिवन? कलेक्टिव फार्म्स का मतलब क्या था? कोलखोज, यानी कि ऑल द पीजेंट्स विल डू वर्क टुगेदर, बिकेम मोर प्रोमिनेंट एंड प्रॉफिट ऑफ कोलखोज वाज शेयर, यानी कि जो भी उसमें से प्रॉफिट होगा वो शेयर इक्वली शेयर करेंगे उसमें से। बट व्हाट हैपेंड? दोज हु रजिस्टर्ड कलेक्टिवाइजेशंस वर सिवियरली पनिश्ड, यानी कि ऑल फार्मर्स वर नॉट हैप्पी, दे वर थिंकिंग कि दे वर अगेंस्ट बिकॉज दे डिडंट गेट द हायर प्राइसेस। तो 1929 द पार्टी फोर्स ऑल द फार्मर्स टू कल्टिवेट, टू कलेक्ट इन कलेक्टिव फार्म्स, kolkhoz. But what happened? We can see one incident also here. 1929 to 1930. What happened? Famine. For that 4 million died. What is the meaning of famine? Shortage of food. And since his policies were opposed, around 2 million people were imprisoned and tortured. And that collectivization adopted was not able to increase the productions. यानी कि collectivization programs was adopted by the Stalin, but after that he couldn't solve the problem of the productions. It means peasants were compelled in the kolkhoz. What happened? Peasants were compelled to work in the kolkhoz. Peasants resisted the authorities and their livestock were destroyed. It resulted in the decline of cattle. Policies of deportations and severe punishment was followed for all those who refused to do so. So there was no such increase in the production, and there was no increase in the production food grain. Even his party members criticized Stalin the way the policy was followed. So यानी कि that types collectivizations policies adopted by the Stalin, or that policy was very harsh. According to that, farmers यानी कि all the farmers will, what will they will do? They will cultivate the farms equally and all the shares they will share equally, they will share. So it means that policy was not good, and most of the peasants or farmers criticized. Why? Because now they were not free, now they are compelled to, you have to do work only here. So now that is the word, two words main came. Kulaks means well to do peasants, or kolkhoz collective farms. Now we will discuss next topic. Now we will discuss the last topic of that chapter, the global influence of the Russian Revolution and the USSR, and how the Russian Revolution affect all over the world and the USSR. Firstly, what happened after the Russian Revolution? End of monarchy, यानी कि monarchy fall down from the Russia to form a nation state, यानी कि monarchy system खत्म होकर अब रशिया क्या बन गए? Nation state. Second, Comintern. Comintern was formed in 1919 to propagate communism, यानी कि in 1919 to 1943 that was advocated, यानी कि formed by the, we can say that Comintern Third International, that was formed by the Lenin. Or what was the main name of that? Why that Comintern was formed? To propagate communism, to advocate the ideas of communism, and practically how it is possible communism's words, या socialist word. Third, what effect came? Industries and banks were nationalized, यानी कि industries और banks क्या कर दिए गए? Nationalized. Economic planning, Russia was the first country to introduce 5-year plans. यानी कि रशिया was the first country to introduce 5-year plans for the economy development, यानी कि to promote industrial production. And fifth, socialists were united against capitalists, यानी कि socialists were against the capitalists. What is the meaning? Socialist मतलब property should be divided equality among all the people and shared also equally divided. It means government cannot interfere. Government can interfere for the equally distribution. And capitalist means individuals ownership. एंड गवर्नमेंट कैन नॉट इंटरवन, यानी कि इसमें गवर्नमेंट बीच में नहीं आ सकती, यानी कि अपने अधिकार कर सकते इंडिविजुअल एक अपने पास रख सकते थे. और सोशलिस्ट क्या कहते थे कि प्राइवेट प्रॉपर्टी इज द रूट ऑफ ऑल सोशल इज. तो दैट्स व्हाई सोशलिस्ट वर यूनाइटेड, यानी कि इनके खिलाफ थे. किस वर्ड के खिलाफ थे? कैपिटलिस्ट के खिलाफ. तो चाइना, नॉर्थ कोरिया, वियतनाम एक्सेप्टेड कम्युनिज्म वर्ड, यानी कि चाइना, नॉर्थ कोरिया, नॉट ओनली रशिया, यानी कि मैनी अदर countries also, China, North Korea, Vietnam accepted communism, but USA didn't accept the word communism because USA was a capitalist country. So it means in the Russia or USA they have started the Cold War, यानी कि दोनों के बीच में आपस में वो उसके बारे में कुछ बात बोलता है, वो उसके बारे में बोलता है. एक्चुअल फाइट नहीं पर रियल मतलब कोल्ड वॉर के रूप में दोनों में बातें होने लगी यूएसए रशिया में. यूएसएसआर Communist universities of the workers of the East, यानी कि for that purpose in the USSR many communist universities they have opened for the workers of the East. Second World War also started. Second World War in which year? 1939 to 1945. तो Second World War USSR had given socialism a global face, यानी कि Second World War तक आते आते USSR had given है, यानी कि USSR ने सोशलिज्म को क्या कर दिया? ऑल ओवर वर्ल्ड में एक रूप दे दिया, एक नया. बाय द एंड ऑफ द 20th century द इंटरनेशनल रेपुटेशन ऑफ द यूएसएसआर एज ए सोशलिस्ट कंट्री हैड डिक्लाइन. बट 20th century तक आते आते इंटरनेशनल लेवल पर ये जो सोशलिस्ट वर्ड यूज किया है, सोशलिस्ट कंट्री था जो यूएसएसआर, इसका प्रभाव कम होने लगा. मैनी कंट्रीज अडोप्टेड द सोशलिस्ट आइडियाज बट इन द एक्चुअल फॉर्म, यानी कि जैसे रशिया ने अडॉप्ट किया सेम एज इट इज दैट वर्ड ऐड नहीं किया. इवन आवर कंट्री आल्सो अडॉप्टेड दैट वर्ड सोशलिस्ट बट नॉट इन एक्चुअल फॉर्म लाइक रशिया. तो आफ्टर द सेकंड वर्ल्ड वॉर यानी कि यूएसएसआर रशिया बिकेम ए वेरी सुपर पावर, यानी कि इसने सुपर पावर ये दिखा दी कि एक बैकवर्ड नेशन से निकलकर कैसे एक सुपर पावर बन सकता है. और पूरे वर्ल्ड में किस आइडियाज को इन्होंने डेवलप कर दिया? सोशलिस्ट वर्ल्ड. पूरे ऑल ओवर द वर्ल्ड दे हैव impact that word socialist. So it means our second chapter completed, socialism in Europe and the Russian revolutions. Now we will discuss the next chapter in next video. Thank you.